Welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Jackie here. Today I'm amending my garden soil. I already started the other day, but Bay went and picked up some more raised bed soil. I already had some other soil that I had stashed away from last time. I put some worm castings in here. I'm doing some of my own composting. These are some old pieces of cabbage that I pulled up. I'm gonna put one of those on each side. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up those Brussels sprouts, like I said, because they ain't doing nothing. I'm gonna add some plant food in here, and then I'm gonna get my new stuff planted in. This wind is going crazy. I should wait about an hour or two. It's still a little windy, but it's not cold. Oh, and I bought one of these baskets or whatever because I saw on another video, well, I saw it coming up a lot, where people buy these baskets and do the composting inside of the raised bed. So I'm gonna put that in here. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? I hope you can. I'm gonna put it in here and start putting the compost in here and put a lid or something on it so the worms can eat that or whatever. So yeah, let me get started. I pulled everything out. That right there is the scriberry that still holding on. And I pulled everything except the rosemary and these Brussels sprouts out of here, which I'm gonna pull them up now because I think they got stunt over the during the weather because they not growing, they stay in the same size. And I'm just gonna put some fresh ones in there and start fresh. But I amended the soil, and well, I'm amending the soil. I already put some more soil in there. I put 1 bag of topsoil and mix it all up. I got 4 bags of raised, I know you probably hear that thing clankering. Raised bed soil in here. I'm gonna put some compost in here, and I'm doing my own composting with old plants and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna put some nitrogen food in there. I probably won't do a talk over because I'm probably hearing this thing clink around on the tripod. And I started composting, collecting some scraps and stuff out of the kitchen in this heavy duty bag right here. And I have some eggshells because I boil eggs all the time, so I'm gonna put those in there too. But right now I'm just gonna make a space for it, because I know I'm putting more on top of it, so I want it to be a little level. And when I juiced last time, this is a bunch of scraps, you know, the pulp that comes from when you juice it. And I'm just gonna put that in there and layer it up with soil. This is my first time doing self-composting, and I prefer to do it like this because I don't want no stinky smells around and everything. Oh, I forgot to put this. I planted these the other day. It's the only thing that I've planted new so far. These are some onions. I gotta buy another sprayer handle because we left that one out during the weather and it cracked. And this collard green is actually from last season. It's still green. And this is actually a clip from last year's garden, what I had in this small wooden one that I pulled everything out. I had an okra, some tomatoes, some cucumbers or whatnot at the bottom.